Hi, I'm Rob Murray. I would like to show you just how easy it is to get started in affiliate marketing for free. The first step is realizing that you want or even need something more. Maybe, like me, you're nearing a retirement age but realize there isn't enough money in the pot to afford the things that you want in retirement. Or maybe you're still in high school and would just like some money for playing around, buying a car, taking your girlfriend out. Whatever the reason, you realize that you want more. The second step is goals. Set up some goals. Perhaps you have fairly modest goals. All you want is just to make a little extra money to supplement your income. Maybe $1,000 or $2,000 a month. Write it down, make it specific. Know that it's exactly what you want and it'll be yours. Maybe you would like a business that can pay you the money to afford this sweet Ferrari 458. Can you imagine walking down your driveway, opening the door, buckling yourself in, and speeding away in your own Ferrari? Affiliate marketing, time, and effort can do this for you. Now, I can't guarantee that you'll get a Ferrari, or any of your goals for that matter, but I can guarantee that you are not going to get what you don't go after. Make your goals big. Surprise yourself. Think about what you want, write it down, review your goals daily, adjust them as necessary, and before you know it, you could be driving off in the car of your dreams. The third step is education. Yes, you could learn by trial and error. There's not a heck of a lot to know about affiliate marketing. You could go back to university and take a long, boring program, or you could subscribe to Wealthy Affiliate and get all the training needed to be successful. The Online Entrepreneur Certification is a 5-phase series of courses walking you through the process of creating and growing a business within absolutely any niche. Right from getting started, building your own traffic-producing website, my favorite, making money, mastering social engagement, or achieving maximum success through content creation. The Affiliate Bootcamp is a 7-phase series of courses walking you through the process of creating and establishing a business in a niche related to the promotion of Wealthy Affiliate. Right from getting your business rolling, absolutely everything you need to be wildly successful, including how to scale successful pay-per-click campaigns. The training headquarters is hundreds of videos and tutorials to help you through any obstacle at any time. Search specific topics or scroll through hundreds of relevant lessons. The classrooms at Wealthy Affiliate are updated often as things advance and change. You do not ever have to stop learning. And best of all, you can earn while you learn. Step 4. Get a website. A website is nothing more than a storefront or office, a place where your clientele can relate with you. There are a million places online where you can get a website, but the best place that I've found is at Wealthy Affiliate. Their Site Rubik's platform is simply awesome. It is ridiculously simple to use. Don't let that fool you. Your website will be amazingly professional. Website security is paramount, and Site Rubik's go above and beyond by creating multiple lines of defense against the most sophisticated hacking attempts. Traffic is step 5. No, not that kind of traffic. I'm talking about getting some of those 4 billion internet users to go to your website. Again, folks at Wealthy Affiliate will show you how. The 6th step is success. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a legitimate business. Like a legitimate business, it requires time and effort. You will get out what you put in. There has never been a better time in history to start a business. Just imagine if Macy's or Walmart had access to 4 billion customers. The potential for success is mind-boggling. If you have the desire, we have the support and everything else you need to be successful. Register now for your free account at Wealthy Affiliate. Let's all have fun and make money.